Is your iPad stuck on the iCloud activation lock screen? Whether you've forgotten the Apple ID or bought a second-hand device, don't worry, today I'll show you how to bypass iCloud lock on your iPad step by step. Let's get started. Option 1. Contact the previous owner. If you bought a used iPad, ask the seller to remove it from their iCloud account. They can do this remotely by logging into iCloud official website and removing the device from Find My. Option 2. Apple support. If the iPad is yours and you have the original receipt, Apple may help you unlock it. Visit Apple support official website, and start a request. Option 3. Use DNS Bypass. Come back to the Wi-Fi settings page. Then find and tap on the I icon beside the Wi-Fi you choose. Next, choose Configure DNS. Choose Manual. You should enter a DNS server IP address according to your region. After that, entering into the iCloud bypass page again. This method does not always work. If it works, you will come to a page like this. Option 4. Use a bypass tool. If you can't contact the original owner or don't have proof of purchase, you can use third-party software to bypass the iCloud lock. MagFone Activation Unlocker is one of the most reliable tools out there. No Apple ID or password required. No jailbreak needed for many devices. Simple plug-and-go interface. Download and install MagFone Activation Unlocker on your computer. Launch the software and select Remove iCloud Activation Lock. Connect your locked iPad to the computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to start bypassing iCloud Activation Lock on your iPad. Once finished, the activation lock will be removed. A quick heads up: bypassing iCloud is not the same as removing the iCloud account. Some features like FaceTime and iMessage may not work. Also, make sure you're not violating any local laws. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more iOS tips, and let me know in the comments if you've successfully unlocked your iPad. Check the video description for the MagFone download link. Thanks for watching.